Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we unlock the secrets of financial success. Today we embark on a captivating journey into Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, a life-changing concept that has empowered countless individuals to achieve financial freedom. Get ready to discover how this groundbreaking idea can revolutionize your approach to money and pave the way for a future of abundance and independence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your financial destiny. Before we dive in, remember to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our enlightening content. Now let's get started. Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, introduced a revolutionary concept that has become a cornerstone in the world of personal finance, the cash flow quadrant. This powerful framework serves as a guide to help individuals navigate their financial journey towards wealth and freedom. The cash flow quadrant is a visual representation of the four primary ways people earn money, each representing a different approach and mindset towards finances. The left side of the quadrant encompasses the paths of E, employee, and S, self-employed individuals. These categories represent those who primarily exchange their time and skills for money. On the other hand, the right side features B, business owners, and I, investors, who focus on building systems and passive income streams. Let's delve deeper into each category and understand what sets them apart. The left side of the quadrant, employees and the self-employed, a path to security. The left side of the cash flow quadrant represents two groups, employees and self-employed individuals. These groups are characterized by their focus on security rather than wealth. Employees make up the largest segment of the workforce, typically relying on a stable salary and benefits provided by employers. Self-employed individuals such as freelancers or small business owners have more autonomy but still directly exchange their time for money. While these paths can offer financial stability, they generally limit wealth accumulation. Key characteristics include reliance on time for income, limited wealth creation, and focus on job security. Transitioning to the right side of the cash flow quadrant can lead to greater financial freedom. Employees, who constitute approximately 60% of the U.S. workforce according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, usually work for established companies or organizations. Their income comes from a regular salary and benefits like health insurance or retirement plans. Job security is often prioritized over wealth creation. Self-employed individuals, about 10% of workers, have more control over their work. Freelancers, consultants, and small business owners fall into this category. They may have more flexibility, but their income depends on actively trading time for money. A freelance graphic designer, for instance, must continually seek out projects to ensure a steady income. Many in this group struggle to save or invest, as a significant portion of their earnings goes towards taxes and living expenses. The right side of the quadrant, business owners and investors, a path to freedom. The right side of the cash flow quadrant showcases two groups, business owners and investors, who are united by their focus on financial freedom. Business owners establish and operate ventures that operate independently of their day-to-day involvement. They create systems that generate revenue through employees or automation. Investors allocate capital into assets like stocks, real estate, or bonds that yield returns over time. Key characteristics include passive income, focus on wealth creation, and financial independence. Those on the right side often enjoy more freedom and flexibility in their lives, making decisions based on long-term wealth goals rather than immediate financial needs. Business owners can be found across various sectors, ranging from tech startups to local enterprises. For example, Jeff Bezos built Amazon into a global powerhouse that operates with minimal input from him. As the company generates revenue, he receives income through dividends and stock appreciation. Similarly, a local franchise owner can purchase an established business that runs under a proven system. Investors use a different approach to build wealth. They allocate money into assets that provide returns, such as owning rental properties or investing in stocks. Warren Buffett, renowned for his astute investment strategies, has amassed substantial wealth through strategic stock holdings that pay dividends and appreciate in value. By diversifying their portfolios across various asset classes, investors aim to mitigate risks and generate sustainable income streams. The path to financial freedom, shifting to the right side. Achieving financial freedom involves a deliberate shift from the left to the right side of the cash flow quadrant. This transformation entails adopting the mindset and strategies of business owners and investors. According to Robert Kiyosaki, acquiring assets that generate passive income is crucial for this transition. To make this shift, it's essential to develop financial literacy, understanding investments, tax advantages, and business principles. Instead of trading time for money, the focus should be on building or investing in systems that work for you, creating passive income streams that provide financial security and flexibility. Comment below with, "Yes, I'm ready to receive financial wisdom," and I'll send you a heart. If you found this insightful, hit like and subscribe. Now let's explore 8 assets that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Number 1. A business, your engine of passive income. A business can be your ticket to financial freedom, allowing you to build an asset that keeps paying even when you sleep. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Look to successful entrepreneurs like Howard Schultz, who bought and grew a single coffee shop, Starbucks, into a global empire. Starting small, like with a local bakery or a franchise, can lead to big wins. Remember, it takes sweat and strategy in the early years, but the payoff is an asset that keeps bringing in money without demanding your constant attention. Ready to start your own wealth engine? Comment below. I'm starting my business. Number 2. Real estate. Leverage other people's money. If you prefer stability and have a steady job, real estate offers a great path to passive income. With rental properties, you can use bank loans known as OPM, other people's money, to buy properties that bring in monthly income. As the property appreciates, it becomes a valuable asset. Plus, you can write off many expenses against rental income, boosting your profits. From single-family homes to commercial spaces, there are many ways to invest in real estate. So pick your path to financial freedom. Comment below. Investing in real estate for a secure future. Number 3. Paper assets. Investing in the markets. Don't have time to manage a business or properties? Paper assets are your go-to. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs let you profit from other companies' success without the hassle of direct management. These investments can be started with relatively small amounts, and they diversify your portfolio, reducing risks. Over time, they've proven to be solid wealth builders. So watch your investments grow while you focus on your everyday life. And don't forget to diversify. Comment below. I'm diving into the world of paper assets. Number 4. Commodities. Protecting your wealth with tangibles. In uncertain times, commodities are your wealth safe haven. Unlike government-issued money, commodities like gold and oil have inherent value. Since 2000, gold has surged 500%, World Gold Council, making it a top choice. These assets hedge against inflation and diversify your portfolio beyond paper investments. Buy gold or oil. Invest in commodity ETFs or trade futures contracts. No matter the route, commodities anchor your wealth during market fluctuations. Ready to secure your financial future? Comment. I will invest in commodities for financial security. Number 5. Time. The most valuable asset. One of your most valuable assets is time. Starting early, even with small investments, yields big results thanks to compounding. At an 8% return, $5,000 invested annually from age 20 to 65 grows to over $1.1 million, surpassing $700,000 when started at 30. Even weekends can be game changers. Use them to upskill or grow a side hustle, boosting your income. Warren Buffett calls investing in yourself the best move. Are you ready to leverage time? Comment, I will make good use of my time because time is money. Number 6. Your health. The foundation of wealth. Wealth means little without health. Poor choices like smoking or junk food drain money now and pile on healthcare costs later, consuming 75% of U.S. spending per the CDC. Exercise and healthy eating boost productivity and longevity, supporting financial goals. A strong body fuels a sharp mind for smart money moves. Comment, I prioritize my health for a wealthy and vibrant life. Number 7. Online assets. The digital gold rush. In the digital age, online assets are a gold mine. Starting small with a YouTube channel or blog costs little, but yields big returns. Share cooking tips, then monetize with ads. An online store selling handmade crafts can thrive with dropshipping. Consistency is key. Scale your success by hiring freelancers or using tools to expand your reach and impact. Ready to stake your claim in the online world? Comment, "I will build my online empire." Number 8, your network, the power of connections. Your network is your net worth. Strong relationships spark opportunities. Caterers connect with event planners. Contacts share investment tips. Build it by adding value at industry events or online, like on LinkedIn. Nurture connections not just for instant gains, but for long-term growth. Ready to expand your network? Comment, "I will connect with others and build meaningful relationships." As we wrap up our exploration of Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, remember that financial freedom is within your reach. Embrace the journey of self-education and take charge of your financial future. Stay tuned for more enlightening content. See you in the next video.